How would you feel if cereal was the only food served every meal? Life would be boring if you ate the same thing every day. As we eat on special days or on gloomy days, special snacks for our pets can be a great pleasure and comfort. Pettorial provides healthy recipes for not only the good taste, but also for a long time with your pet. The best snack for your pet is a healthy and fresh handmade snack that its owner makes himself. Pettorial was developed 4 years ago for better life for pets. Artists and engineers from different fields gathered together to develop products after many trials and errors. Our project will be very successful if it gives you and your pet a little pleasure, a little bit more time to be happy together in the life of your companion. Now I'm going to show you how to use Pettorial. First, turn on Pettorial and connect the Bluetooth on your phone or tablet. When running the Pettorial app, the login and the membership screen appears, and you can register the type, age, weight, and body type of your pet through the member registration. I'm going to register my pet dog. Once logged in, the recipe is recommended for 3 categories. Today is my pet's birthday, so let's click on the recipe for this special day. Pettorial offers safe ingredients that pets can eat, as well as the right amount of food for their fitness and age to help the new pet owners. In the recipe list, let's try making sweet potato fruitcakes made from our dog's favorite food, sweet potato. This is the ingredients of the food. When the ingredients are all ready, let's make a sweet potato fruitcake using Pettorial. Add 70 grams of boiled sweet potatoes, mash them and put them in a mold. Remove 1 egg yolk of a boiled egg and sieve it into a mold. Cut 20 grams of broccoli with a knife and serve. Cut 20 grams of paprika pepper with a knife and serve. Put 5 grams of blueberries on the Pettorial and serve. The birthday cake for the dog, made with the application, is complete. Shall we give this cake to a dog? The puppy is already excited. For better life changes for pets and his family.